In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and connect a database on Hostinger in 2025. Whether you're building a new website or managing an existing one, knowing how to handle databases is essential. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website, open your preferred web browser, and enter Hostinger's URL. Once the homepage loads, the first thing you want to do is locate the login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details. Go ahead and log into your Hostinger account to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger hPanel's home section. From here, your next move is locating the Hosting tab. This is where the heart of your website management lives, including setting up new databases. Click on Hosting, and you'll be presented with a list of your hosting services. Proceed by clicking the Manage option next to the domain you want to set up a database for. This will navigate you to that particular domain's management page, where you can access various functionalities. Your focus should be on the side menu now. Look for the Databases option and click on it. This is where we will handle everything related to database creation and management. Now that you're in the databases section, another crucial step is waiting for you, clicking on Remote MySQL. This feature is significant if you want to allow access to your database from a different server. It's great for managing databases from multiple points while ensuring they remain secure. The following action involves selecting Create New Database. This button opens up a form where you'll input your new database's details. You'll need to specify a name for your database, a username, and create a secure password. Be sure to choose a strong password to keep your database safe from unauthorized access. With all the necessary information filled out, confirm your entries to set up your new database. Congratulations, you've created a new database on Hostinger. To summarize, you've navigated to Hostinger, logged in, accessed your hosting services, and created your very own database. Remember, properly managing your databases is crucial for your website's functionality and security. Once set up, you can use this database to store, organize, and retrieve data for your website projects efficiently. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Creating databases on Hostinger is just a small part of web development, but mastering it can help significantly as you expand your digital presence. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy website building.